Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to be opening my Kitty's paper box. Well, it's just called paper box. It says Kitty on here and I was just reading straight from the box, but the paper box grand subscription box. It is a personalized stationery subscription, so I will open that for you and tell you a little bit about it. And then at the end of the video, if you are interested, I am going to update you on some products I tried from yesterday's video. If you did not yet see yesterday's video, I will link that down below. I unboxed Babe Box and there were some questions surrounding the products in there, so I will give you a quick first impressions type update at the end of this video. And also, before I forget, I have a giveaway ending in just 2 days, so my 2,000 subscriber giveaway ends on the 28th at midnight Eastern Standard Time, so if you have not yet entered the link to that video, the giveaway video will be down below in the description box as well. So this is the box for this month. Isn't it super cute? It's like a mint green and white. I love it. If you do not know about this box, like I said, it's a personalized stationery subscription. This is the grand box. They also have a mini subscription. The mini subscription is only $10. And the grand subscription is typically $28, but I do have a code that you can try your first month for $10, so I will leave that down in the description box if you are interested, along with my most recent mini subscription unboxing if you want to try that one out instead. So let me open this. So this is the March box. It comes a little bit early, which is awesome, and inside it's super cute. It says, "We're meant to be friends." And then there's a card, and then there's a cat behind me. Emmy has really been loving the spotlight lately. She's probably trying to steal my succulents. My cats like live for like just ruining live things. But anyway, so it says, "Kitty, welcome to March." Super cute with the same coloring. I love how personalized this is, and it's always so color coordinated and adorable. Like, look how cute this little polka dot tissue is in there. I'm gonna save that. I like to save tissue that's cute in my boxes to reuse. Oh my god, and then underneath the tissue, this is what I see. So it looks like there are some cards. So, let's see, the first one says, "Here's a little encouragement," and then there's like a little mojito or something on the bottom. That is so cute. I'm just gonna take it out so you can see it without that reflection. How cute is that? And then on the inside it says, "Good luck, Kitty." So everything seriously in here is personalized. It's so cool. And then that's the back of the card if you want to see. It just says "My Paper Box" on the bottom. It's so cute. And then there's one that says, congratulations on your achievements." Here, let me take these all out for you so there's no reflection. I love it. Congratulations on your retirement. These are so cute. These are definitely good to have around the house too, you know. You have to run to the store, and these are so cute and they're personalized too. And then this one says, "Congratulations on your engagement." With my age group, well, actually I think all of my friends are engaged or married besides me now, but you know, around my age, everyone's getting married now, so this is good to have. So cute. I really like those. Next I see some cute stickers. These could be used to like seal the envelopes on your cards or for other, whatever you want to do with them. Super cute. So one says, "Mint just for you." Okay, one second, my cat's being naughty. Trying to get the succulents. One says, "Drinks on me." I like that. I could add that to a card. Love, I love snail mail. Hey, sweetness. Congrats, congrats. So again, those are the stickers. Sorry, my chair's making some squeaky noises. And then there's a little like notebook. Oh, cute. On the front it says, "Things I meant to do." I love the play on words here. And okay, I just glanced inside. So one side says "to do" and the other is a checklist. And I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I'm a big list maker, so I love this. Like, all the pages say that it's so cute. And then in the back there's a spot for just notes. So this is so cute. I love stuff like this so much. So awesome. So cute. Okay, next, cute, there's like some little note cards, and it says, "You are meant to do great things," and that says kitty in the corner, and it's held together with some cute little paper clips. It has like a smiley face on it. The colors this month are really light, like the mint green and the white, so hopefully this is coming through on camera. I do have a light around my camera, a ring light, so I'm not sure if that is like reflecting at all, but these are super cute. I like these. Just keep these around the house. You can write stuff on there. You can even use these as recipe cards if you wanted. All right, now I see another notepad that says kitty on top, and it looks like there's like a little plant. Cute. Oh my god, decent amount of sheets in there. Oh, and there's a pen. Cool. So this is by Sargent Art. This is like a blue color. Here, let me write something in here. Oh, pretty. It's like, yeah. Your eyes can't even see that. I just wrote hi. I like it. Alright. It's like never ending. I love opening this box. It's so cute and so fun to open. And it says, "When life gives you lemons, you pay bills." That is part of being an adult, paying bills. And then, oh, this is so convenient. Look at this. I really need stuff like this to stay on track. I'm gonna start using this because I've forgotten to pay bills. Even though I had money to pay them, I've forgotten before, and that's like such a waste of money when you get charged like a fee or something, you know, like, so this will be super good. Like, this is so cute, and like the outside, adorable. I love lemon stuff. Each month you get like a little calendar. Here, I'll grab the February one. And I keep it right here on my vanity / desk area. It's so convenient. So that was the February one. And here is March. And on the back, again, it says, "You are meant to do great things." So awesome. Look at that. It's almost March. It's crazy. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this I could use actually for like when I mail stuff, like I just said. It says Kitty, Estero, Florida. That's where I live. These are so cute. Kind of like shaped like a flower. Oh my god. I like the one with like cocktails on it, of course. God, I seem so boozy, don't I? And then that's it. And then there's a cute tissue paper, which I'm totally going to save. So I'm just gonna backtrack and put it all back in the box. Show you. So we got the stickers, the bill notebook. When life gives you lemons, you pay bills. This little notepad that says kitty on top. The blue pen. These little note cards with paper clips or whatever those clips are called. Things I'm meant to do, so it has like the to-do list and checklists in it, which is super cute. I can't believe they get everything to coordinate so well, by the way. These stickers. And then 4 cards, which are all so cute. So that one. These, I love these cards so much. And then that's, and here is the card that came on top. So isn't that adorable? I really like it. I think it's a cute box. So I will leave the link for that down below along with the promo code if you want to try this for just $10. There's no like long-term commitment or anything like that. So you can just browse their site. You can look at my other videos too. Like I said, I will also leave the link below to my most recent mini unboxing if you want to see what that's all about instead of the grand box. But yeah, I think that was a great month. But moving on, so I told you I'd tell you about some products from the babe box. So, you know, that was a little questionable, some of the pricing and everything on the items. I didn't use everything. I used the 2 items that are actually from Folklore. I used them just before filming. So I did try out the Tropical Vacation Palette, and that is what is on my eyes today. And it's not terrible. It's not like the best in the world. Like, the quality is fine, but I don't know if it's worth $33. So I did also use all of this brush that came in it too, which is fine. So I tried to use at least a few colors. So I used Beach, like this white shade, all over my lids. It didn't really show up much, but I didn't really expect it to, just like set my eyes, because I use concealer on my eyes, kind of to actually conceal some redness and stuff, and also as like a base for my eye makeup. And then I used Frost and then Apricot in my crease. And then in my outer corner I used Heat. And then I used this Desert Glitter all over my lid. So it kind of took a little bit of building up for the desert. I didn't wet my brush or anything like that. First I used a brush and then I used my finger. And I do like how the look turned out. The mattes were fine. They blended okay. Someone told me they didn't like the mattes, so I didn't really have high expectations, but they worked fine. And sorry, Emmy's playing with the box that's on the ground. Maybe it's the darker mattes that don't work as well, but I did ones that like were more complementary to my skin tone. So, I mean, overall, it's a fine palette. I don't have any complaints. I like how my eyes look today, so I don't know, you guys can let me know what you think, if you like how it looks or no, or if you've tried this palette. But yeah, I mean, it's fine. I won't reach for it a lot, but it's not bad. And then I tried the Folklore Balm Lashes Volumizing Mascara that I got yesterday, and it was better than I expected. To be honest, I thought it would just suck. Like, I think it's the whole video and like looking the prices up and seeing like the value wasn't there and like all the issues with that subscription. I just kind of negative vibes towards everything, and I mean, this is fine. I thought it would suck, but it's just okay. So it did coat my lashes just fine. The color is black, like expected. I didn't clump at all, so that's good, but it didn't like lengthen or volumize at all, so yeah, it's just okay. So I think I would use this just when I was like, running out the door and not getting fully ready, but just didn't want to have like no lashes, like, 'cause I'm blonde, like my lashes are non-existent. Like, this would be good because it did apply really quickly too, because it's like such a huge wand. Let me show you. So it's such a big wand. I think that helps just to coat all my small lashes really quick. So, I mean, I won't reach for it when I'm like really trying to look good, but yeah, just for like I said, when I'm just like running to Publix or something, I just don't want to look like scary, can put this on. So I guess, yeah, better than I expected, just okay. So I wanted to fill you guys in on that because I didn't try them out yesterday. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.